This is my closet. And no, nothing is coming out of it. Instead, it is a place full of dreams now. I decided to turn this small space into my personal IT lab. Why? Because I think for truly understand cybersecurity, you have to build things from scratch. Let me show you how I built all this space. And everything begins with this package. I received this package from Amazon and I was truly excited about it because inside of it I have the most critical device for this phase, a managed switch and Shield Cat 6 cable. I chose a managed switch because in the future I will need to segment traffic and create VLANs. It's not just about connecting cables, it's also about control. But as with my engineer project, I hit a little problem. I had the tech but not the logistic. So I had to make a trip to Home Depot. I needed staples for cable management and heavy duty power extensions and also a hammer because the staple doesn't staple it by itself. In networking we have something called the OSI model. The OSI model is a blueprint of how the internet works, divided into 7 layers. And it all starts at the bottom, layer 1, the physical layer. No code yet, this is about cables, electricity and hardware, because without a solid physical foundation, nothing else works. Back home, that's where the real work began. Let me show you this topology. This is how I'm going to manage my home. I have the main router with a cable coming from the internet, and there's another cable going to the switch. That is where I'm going to manage everything. Then it goes to the server, that I'm going to have a server, and then it goes to a mesh point. That is going to for the Wi-Fi, and then it's where I'm going to be connected. It could be better, but this is how it is right now. Now listen to this. Listen. And well, as you can see, at the beginning was just 2 cables, two ports on green, because the server was not turned on yet, so I just turned it on, and we're back online. And as you can see, this is the path that the topology showed. Now this is a physical. For the next episode, I'm going to show you how I'm going to put Proxmox in my server, and how I'm going to turn all this and manage. I'm going also to segregate the VLANs, and I'm going to have everything under control. So don't miss it out and stay tuned.